Hello guys, I'm back. I need to finish this with myself, okay? Yeah. You know, last time I said I will do it with myself. I'm doing it with myself. This is part 2. I mean, do you remember I make the other one? Guys. So this is... Cassie's gone, so I need to eat him. Ooh. Wait! Hold on, I'm gonna say something to Roblox. Roblox? You know I'm making video, right? I know Roblox for the first video. What the heck is this? Oh, I just got a piece.
Mag-drive ka, ha? Makalimutan yung video namin ng nanay mo sa'yo. Ay, hindi pa kaya yung sinasinasabi po ako. Sino ka na yung report? Parang sa guidance sa ang dalawa. Nakadecide ka na kung anong work mo naman. Ay, hindi pa po. Sige po. Ay, baka may susiwag eh? Hindi po. Pero, sabi po kanina ng susiwag eh. Kakadating na po yun eh.
John, I'm sick of this now. Now I'm... Okay, so we're gonna get the water right now.
Ano yun? Sa ating motor sa mama mo.
The scream ring ting ting.
Ay, kunin mo yung laruan mo.
Adan.
Ito. Yung napulot mo.
The scream, the ring, the pen, the king, the sound all of all y'all.